Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Also, before getting started, make sure to update your Messenger application to the latest version. And without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do is, in order to recover your deleted messages, open up your Messenger application. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the chat page, and on this interface in the top left corner you'll be able to see a profile icon. Click on it. As you click on the profile icon, click on the gear icon, and then you'll be directed to this page. Now once you're on this page, you need to scroll down and then move towards the account section. Under account, there's an option as account settings. Click on it. You'll be able to see a list of options. Once again, do the same process, that is, scroll down, and you'll need to head towards your information. As you're on this section, you need to click on download your information. After you click on it, you'll be able to see a statement, so make sure to go through this statement before you proceed on with the process. So then after you've gone through it, scroll down right to the bottom and then click on create file, which was right at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll be able to see your available copies, and you'll need to wait for some time in order to restore your deleted messages. You'll have to wait for at least a couple of hours, and then you'll be able to recover your deleted messages on Messenger. So that is how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.